Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure an NBN modem. First, identify your NBN connection box and the modem itself. Connect the NBN cable from the wall to the NBN box, then an Ethernet cable from the NBN box to your modem's WAN port. Plug in the power adapters for both devices. Wait for the modem's indicator lights, especially the online or internet light, to become stable, which usually takes a few minutes. Once your modem is powered on and stable, connect a computer or smartphone to it. You can use an Ethernet cable for a direct connection or join the modem's default Wi-Fi network. Open any web browser and type the modem's default IP address, often 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1 into the address bar. Then enter the default username and password, usually found on a sticker on the modem. After logging in, find the Internet Settings or WAN Setup section in the modem's interface. Here, you'll need to select your connection type, which your Internet Service Provider, or ISP, will have specified. Common types include PPPoE for fiber to the node or IPoE for fiber to the premises. Carefully input your ISP-provided username and password into the designated fields, then save your changes to apply the new configuration. Now that your modem is configured, open a web browser and try visiting a few websites to confirm your internet connection is active. You can also run an online speed test to check your download and upload speeds, ensuring they meet your plan's expectations. If you encounter issues, double-check all cable connections and your entered account details. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.